All right, evening, 9:30, Tuesday, December 19th. Real quick, less than 5 minutes. Euro update again, as you can see. So yesterday on my video, prices was hovering around the, actually I believe it was hovering around the 1810 area. I expected price to go and hit my target. I have my target over here to the left. I moved my target here to the right. I was expecting price to come near 1855. It came near it, but it hasn't gotten to the target yet, but it did get to around 1850. Once price breaks the previous high of 1862, my stop will be raised, and my stop will most likely be raised to around 1840 or so. I am expecting a little bit of a consolidation today or tonight and tomorrow, and between Wednesday and Thursday I expect the trend to continue up with the start of wave 3. So going to a 240, as you can see, this is wave 2 ended here, wave 2. This is 1 here, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and then I'll have a 1, 2, possibly the start of wave 3 that should go above 1860. And also you can see that price went through all my trend channels. So I'm expecting price to either consolidate near the 1820 level or just continue going higher. Either way, if you are not in this particular trade at this point, if price does come back to the 1820 area, getting back in that area going long with a stop just below the 1805. You want to be a little bit more conservative, then you can go to 1790-ish for your stop, and then you should expect it to go long. On the flip side, if price finds resistance at the 1855 level, well then obviously my alternate, this is not a 4, this is an A. My 1 will then be a B. My 2 will be I'm sorry, let me say A, yeah, B, C, and then you have the A of D, B of D, and now you have right here or so will be wave D, basically, and then you'd have wave. No. I take that way back. I'm tripping out. So this will be A here, A of 4, B of 4, then I'll have A of C, then A, B, C for B of C, and then wave C of 4, wave C of C basically would come down to the 1620 area like I suggested. These triangles kind of get me confused sometimes. So basically, let me redo that again. If this is not the 4 and prices does go to the downside, well then this is the A of 4. This is the B of 4. This is A of C. This is 1, 2, 3 B of C, which will end right here somewhere. And then you'll have C of C. That should go to around 1620. That's an alternate, but I doubt it. But you never know. So again, just to make this quick, I'll go back to my 15-minute chart. Up 98 pips. Still in the half a contract. Got out the previous half. Planned on adding here, but I wasn't sure. So most likely, if price does consolidate into this area, I'll add again and let price go. I'm expecting some high volatility over the next couple of days between Wednesday and Thursday, if not Friday. But I'm expecting price to go and break out above 1855 and continue into the 1900s level. Another trade that I took just off of a double bottom, and it worked, was the pound New Zealand. As you can see, I'm up 134 pips. I saw this bottom here. I then also saw another bottom here, and price ended at 89.84. I got in, what you figure, about 20 or so pips later, and 134 pips in counting. More than likely, at this point, I'm going to lock in the vast majority of those pips, so that if something was to reverse on me, I'm not just caught on the wrong side of the trade, basically. So that's Monday and Tuesday down, basically, and 200 pips to almost 300 pips. I've already locked 60, I believe, in the euro. I'm up almost 100 in the euro now, and then this is 134 pips. So I can't complain. Week in and week out, it's doing great. I'm finishing the year strong, and I'm just trying to focus on a couple of markets at a time and give the best analysis I can. So I hope this helped. Going back one more time to my favorite, and that's the euro. Actually, you know, I got into the pound dollar, but I'm down a little bit. We'll see how that works. I'm expecting price to go above those red trend lines, but we'll see. I've already profited from that, another 62, so I am up to about 300 pips for 2 days. So again, if you are not in this trade, if price does come down into this particular area, the 1820, between 18 probably 25 and 1810, it should be a good buy. If it doesn't, honestly, the only other area that will be a good buy will be at 1835 if you see a double bottom. But I'm definitely expecting price to break out. So hope this helped. Happy trading.